Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 41, operation on polynomials. In lecture 40 we studied about addition of polynomials. Here we will explain subtraction of polynomials. Here we want to write the method for subtracting of two or more than two polynomials for subtracting of two or more than two polynomials. First we change the sign of subtraction, then use addition method, or then do as addition operation. Subtraction of polynomial can be done by horizontal method and vertical method. Example: subtract the following polynomials. Here is three questions. Number one, f of x is equal to 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. G of x is equal to minus 8x minus 5x cubed plus 2 plus 3x squared. Also number two, question 2, a is equal to 3xy minus 5x cubed y squared plus 2x squared y cubed. B is equal to minus 7x squared y cubed plus 2xy plus 7x cubed y squared. Number 3, hy is equal to minus 2y to the power 4 plus 7y to the power 3 plus 11. P of y is equal to minus 3y plus 8y squared minus 7y to the power 4. Now we want to solve question 1 by two methods, horizontal method and vertical method. First one, horizontal method. Here we have f of x. We have to write f of x minus g of x. It is subtract polynomial. Which one? G. Now it is equal to f of x 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus g of x minus 8x minus 5x cubed plus 2 plus 3x squared. Now it is equal to 7x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. We should multiply this sign inside to the bracket, minus multiply by minus plus 8x minus multiply by minus plus 5x cube minus multiply by plus minus 2 minus multiply by plus minus 3x squared. Now we want to add the like terms. Here we have 7x cube. 7x cube. Here we have 5x cube. We want to add these two polynomial, then we get 7 plus 5, 12 x cube. Here we have minus 5 x squared. Here we have minus 3 x squared minus 8 x squared. Here we have plus 2 x. Here we have plus 8x. Then it is equal to 10x. Here we have 4. Here we have minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4 plus 2. It is the result. Horizontal method, now vertical method. In this method, first we have to write f of x is equal to, we have to write by decreasing order this polynomial 7x cube minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now here we have to write minus 5 g of x is equal to minus 5x cube minus 5x cube x squared. After cube we have x squared plus 3x squared. After that we have minus 8x plus 2. Now we have to change the sign of this polynomial. Plus minus, it will become plus. Plus, it will become minus. Here is minus, it will become plus. It is plus, it will become minus. Therefore, the result will be f of x minus, here also it is minus g of x is equal to plus 5 plus 7, 12x cube minus 5 minus 3 minus 8x square plus 2 plus 8 plus 10x plus 4 minus 2, it is equal to plus 2. It is the result of subtracting of these two polynomial. Now second question we have question 2, horizontal method. A minus b is equal to a 3x minus 3xy minus 5x cube y squared plus 2x squared y cube minus b minus 7x squared y cube plus 2xy plus 7x cube y square. Now it is equal to 3x xy minus 5x cube y square plus 2x square y cube minus multiplied by minus 7x square y cube minus 2x xy minus 7x cube y square. It is equal to, now we want to add the like terms. Here we have 3x xy. Here we have minus 2xy. Then we get xy. Here we have minus 5x cube y square. Here we have 7 x cube y square, minus 5 minus 7 minus 12, minus 12x cube y square. Here we have 2x square y cube. Here we have 7x square y cube. Then we get plus 9x square y cube. It was the horizontal method. Now we want to solve by vertical method. Vertical method. First, we want to write a is equal to 3x xy minus 5x cube y square plus 2x square y cube. B is equal to b. Now here we have to write like terms under each other. Here we have to write 2xy. After that we have minus 5 cube, minus 7 plus 7 x cube y square. After that we have minus 7x square y cube. Now we want to subtract these two polynomial. It will become positive. Then a minus b is equal to 3 minus 2 xy. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied by xy, we can write xy. Minus 5 minus 7 minus 12 x cube y square plus 2x square y cube plus 7x square y cube plus 9x square y cube. It was the solution of this question. Question 3 is your homework. You have to do by yourself. It was the lesson of 41, which was the subtraction of polynomials, which we solved 2 examples, and we also explained the methods how to subtract 2 polynomials. Thank you.